Okay, so what is greenwashing about? Greenwashing is sometimes you buy a product, right? And what is it being written? It is eco-friendly. It is this in terms of like no animals were being harmed, nothing was like this, right? The non-toxic and all that. But in real, they are not. Okay, and many a times we see it out. There are certain products which use the image of this nature and all that just to distract their audiences, people, that we are going for eco-friendly, but in reality they are not eco-friendly products. So this is what we are going to discuss. Greenwashing is similar to brainwashing. You brainwash a person in terminology that this thing is green in nature, this thing is good for nature, but in reality it is not. Like there are certain where you can say, I don't remember the exact maybe it is like many good brands which are using the animals to try it and test it out, but still what the people do it out is the people actually harm the products. They are using the products only thinking that that is a very biodegradable and a good product, but in reality it is not a good product. Clear with the word now? Any problem in the word? Aditya and Ganesh. Aditya, are you there? Yeah, you know, I'm muting your background because it's creating a disturbance. Aditya, you want to be there in the group discussion?
Yeah.
Then please be visible and unmute yourself. It's already 4:06. Do it fast if you really want to participate. Okay, so one last time, I'm speaking the entire thing now. The topic of today's discussion is brainwashing. No, it's greenwashing. And greenwashing, as a word suggests, it was coined. I would explain you out about the terminology also. But here you have to see it out there. You can talk about certain brands also, which are actually saying it out that yes, the products are not harmful for environment, but in reality they are. They use some kind of images like this, but they actually are kind of trying to digress the people, digress the customers or the consumers, right? So this is what is happening in reality these days. And sometimes when you see it out, there was a term like Maggi masala was there. You know, like in a few years back, Maggi got banned. Why? Because the masala part of that had some kind of a toxic traits in the nature. Even if you go to KFC, anyone who has gone to KFC, many people might have gone it out, right? वहां पे एक चीज लिखी होती है that if you see it very small in the small letters, the chicken which is the ingredients which are used for that, they are not considered much safe for the people, like for the children, for the pregnant women and all that. If they are so pure, if they were so good and all that, obviously they should be for the consumer fit. Mama's products are there. It uses the pictures and all that, but it is considered safe for the people. The moms and co are there. So you can talk here about certain products which you see that yes, how they are digressing the customers and how they are not digressing the consumers, right? It's an open-ended topic. You can talk in any direction. Clear with the terminology now? Greenwashing? Clear? A new word for all of you, right? Okay. So 3 minutes to think about the topic. Same way you will be introducing it out. Good morning, everyone. First, greetings to everyone. The topic of today's discussion is greenwashing. Then you have to tell us, I, on behalf of everyone, is going to introduce the group discussion. Then tell about the generic meaning, the way I told you, what is greenwashing all about? Then give a generic idea. You can talk about, yes, greenwashing is quite existent in nature and we see it with certain products. Like you can talk about any product. And then you open the house for discussion. 5 key traits. Then in between, again, linkages are provided. You have to talk about it. Don't go for elaborative and long points. Don't be hyperactive. Don't be hypoactive, right? Keep a balanced type of participation. Use of any language, Hindi, English, bilingual, most welcome. Same way on the conclusion side, you can talk about, yes, this is happening, but you have to give a neutral ending, positive ending. कि हम इससे कैसे बचाव डाल सकते हैं. Clear about the topic now? 3 minutes, everyone, to think about it, brainstorm your ideas. 3:09 by my side. At 3:12, we're going to start. Who wants to introduce the topic? Who wants to introduce it out? Anyone who can come ahead and who wants to introduce?
I will try.
Good. Who want to conclude it out? Okay, Aritra, good for the conclusion? Great. Okay, it will be for 12 minutes. Yeah, Ayush?
Ma'am, can we give an example of citing any particular company, or we just doing generic one?
If you're very sure.
It doesn't affect the GD if we name the particular
No, it
organization?
does not. If it is like, even if you go it out, now there are shampoos which are sulfate free and which are not sulfate free. We all know Head and Shoulders is not sulfate free, and if you go for the Onion and the Wow shampoo, that is sulfate free. That is the reality you're talking about, right? So that won't impact it up. You can talk about if you're very, very sure about certain things. Not a digression should be there, right? 100% that content should be verified. Only then, otherwise don't give it out. Okay? 3 minutes start now, guys. And it will be GD for 12 minutes. I want the best of participation now. Okay, guys. Just think about the ideas. Okay, everyone is ready. The time is up. We can start now,
So
right?
can I?
Okay, Aditya, go ahead with the introduction. 12 minutes timer start now, guys. Go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone, my dear friends. Myself Aditya Suman, and I, on behalf of my group, going to say some words about greenwashing. So greenwashing is like a deceptive practice in which a company make their action and their impacts through advertisement like that they are doing something much benefit for climate. It's like they are advertising their product more like more like environment friendly by conveying false information. And means advertise their product that it has less carbon or it consists of less tears, or they give catchy slogans like our product is guilt free. And they also indulge in the greenwashing through buying carbon credit from non from developing countries, or by also setting up the manufacturing plant in several other countries. And there are several sorry there are several malpractices which they do by flaunting several environment rules in the non-developing countries, in developing countries, due to lacks of rules. So they do it for getting unwarranted recognition that they are too much environment friendly, and they want to get their credit too high, so that they can get reward for their carbon neutral perspective. So from onwards, now I want to forward on to my group members.
I agree with Aditya. Many of the organizations they try to improve the public perceptions of the products by greenwashing. Like we can see in case of many cosmetic companies, they market their product as organic. There are no chemicals, so it is a type of greenwashing. And we can see this in the case of automobile sectors also.
I agree with you, but I want to add one more point. Like with growing environmental awareness, likely in general day, and increasing the health concentration, consumers are actively seeking eco-friendly products, like surge in demand of any products in our environmental, like green energy and greenhouse, as well as greenwashing.
I agree with Aditya and Ritra. These companies are doing these are their marketing strategy to packaging their product in the green and the brown colors, so that the people thought that these products will be eco-friendly, or there's a no chemical is used during the production. But as a customer, we need to understand that we should not buy the product by only looking their packaging. We need to read the labels attached behind the product, that what the chemicals, what the ingredients used during the manufacturing of their product. By using this technique, we can protect ourselves from fooling by these companies, because these companies are fooling us by making the product green. So I want to add this point.
I
So
agree with you, Yogesh. So we can see many of the products are being written as cruelty free. For
Yes.
example, in chocolate, we see many of the products that is cruelty free, but actually it is not. In the respect of lowering the cost, the company are doing illegal practices and also child labor to lowering their cost. Thus, also doesn't have any environmental, also degrading the environmental. And along with that, it also deceiving us being free, and we are doing some green work to have a good motivation to buy the particular product.
So I would like to add more points like that. Even in India, we can see several products in marketing with too many deceptive slogans like Bonvita, Tayari Jeet Ki, but everyone knows how much sugar is present in them. Also about Horlicks, Complan, they give the catchy slogan that ये product आपको बनाएगा healthy, taller, stronger. But if you go through that ingredient level, you will find that there is too much sugar in it. Also like that for real fruit packaging, they advertise it like that it is real fruit, but if you look closely at their level, this they predict directly mention that all the names are just for presentation. All the names are just for presentation. There is no any such thing present in there. Everywhere you can see pineapple flavor or apple flavor. You will not get any apple or pineapple content in that, but you will get just essence of about it. So these are the
I would,
the
yes,
malpractice performed by the companies.
I would like to give the example of companies like Patanjali. They claim that many of their products are eco-friendly or they are made from natural ingredients. But actually, it is not so. Like there are many uh, adulterate which they are using. I'm not remembering the name. Adulteration, yeah, it is adulteration. They mix some artificial compounds in there, and they are selling the products. So
I agree with you, Shubham. As we see, there is the greenwashing is present in everywhere, not only in a food sector or in a cosmetic sector, but in automobile sector also. Many of us, you can see there is a current trend of EV. EVs are sold to us of being environmental friendly and green, but in actual reality conditions, they are not, because the battery matrix which are manufactured, the lithium required in it is mined in a very harmful conditions, and it also dissiping, or we can degrading the environment a lot, and also causes
yes,
the heavy level of water pollution. Also the EV that is being charged is comes from the fossil fuel, which again add another milestone to degrade the environment. So it is not actually green, but it is sell on the name of the green.
Yes.
I would like to add about protein powders. Like there are many protein powders which are being sold in the market. So people going to gym, they prefer these kind of protein powders. But instead of that, I think that they should prefer natural products over these way protein powders which are being sold, because it has many uh, mixed compounds which are found in such products.
Yes, I want to add the point that we all know that these companies are doing these things to make us fool. But I think in this problem, the government should make the rules that the company should provide the labels that, like Aditya was talking about the real fruit and all food items. So government should provide the labels that this product is has this much amount of sugar and all these ingredients, and based on that ingredients the label should decide that this is a green label, this is a brown label, this is a red label. So according to that we will decide our that we should buy this product or not.
So
I
I agree
completely
with
agree
you,
with you,
Yogesh,
With
but
you, Yogesh.
Yogesh.
no,
Like
Indian government should also follow the model of Singapore.
Yes.
Singapore,
Yes.
in Singapore, the concentration of sugar is mentioned through the color coding or through
Yes.
highlighting it in which bigger base. Government should also try to make rule that they can check their any product from any marketplace, or they can check their manufacturing companies. And
Yes.
recently, I have heard that
yes,
government of India is planning to introduce such rules where they are
Yes.
going to force companies to highlight all the trans fat, sugar
Yes.
in
Their label.
bold matter. But the point is, government officials should have to force to follow all these regulation honestly.
I
Yes.
completely
Yeah,
agree with you,
I agree
Aditya.
with
There
you.
should be a proper segregation between which is actually green and which is actually not. There should not FSSI should also embark the strict laws and strict rules to segregate which is actually it is green or actually which is not. And people also need to be aware, and they are keep aware of seeing the backside of the packaging, not only the front side and the slogan.
Mm.
So they should be actually know what they're actually consuming, and
Yes.
it gives a real picture
Yes,
of their
friends.
food they are consuming.
Also, they
to
can
add to
put on
Ayush point,
holograms
people
on
need to be more aware
natural
because a
products.
few years back, McDonald's they changed their color label from red and yellow to just yellow and green. So they changed nothing in their actual product. They just
Yes.
changed the labels.
Yeah,
Also,
I
I
agree
think
with
that
you. But
they
the main
that the customers
strategy
should
for the company is to authenticate engagement with the sustainability, like be transparent with about sustainability effort. We can say that seek with third party certificates audits with to validate their claims, also to ensure consistency between marketing claims and actual claims in its parties.
Yes.
Also, the awareness program
also,
also
yeah.
being carried out to educate people and aware people about their health, uh, and know that which is actually helpful for them, and also helpful for the environment.
Yes, because these companies are already doing the labeling in these foreign countries and developed countries. In India, there is a lack of awareness among the people about the products, and because of that, they are doing this. So, in this matter, the government should definitely make some rules and regulations to force these companies to provide labels on their backside or front to so that the people have the knowledge that they can buy or not buy the product, and they can save their money also.
Also, people
Apart
should
Also,
be
I think
making
that
restricted
being
rules
a
to
and
buy
customer, it
cruelty-free
is our
products. Like
duty.
a company like Gucci is a very famous fashion brand, but it is accused of cruelty to animals. So people need to be aware of that also.
I think that it as a customer, it is our duty to check for the holograms present on any whenever we buy any product. Like we have FSSAI holograms on on eatable products. So likewise, we can check out for such kind of holograms, which very well suggest that the product is natural, or such kind of holograms should be placed by the government agencies, which are there for food security.
Okay,
so
guys. Okay. The time is up. Who wanted to conclude?
I would like to conclude.
Okay, go ahead. Aritra?
Okay. I would like to conclude this discussion on behalf of my entire group. So we have had a very fruitful discussion on the topic of greenwashing. So here we have discussed that many organizations try to improve public perception of their products by misleading them. So in that we have discussed many examples of the companies and many sectors where it is done, like cosmetic sector. And one of my friend gave example of false marketing of Bonvita Horlicks, how much sugar is present in them. Then it was discussed about Shubham gave an example of Patanjali and adulteration. Then EVs was discussed by Ayush. And then we also discussed about what are the possible regulations government can implement to stop this. In that we discussed about different labels for eco-friendly products, and FSSAI holograms should be there, and and moreover awareness among people should be there to stop this. Thank you.
Okay. Now, see, guys, how many of you were not aware about this term before I just discussed with you? Is
Yes.
that
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, I
Yes,
have
yes.
heard but not know about it
Heard.
much before.
Now,
I have
see,
heard.
New for me.
you are learning, like on that day, I talked to you about gig economy. You remember what is gig economy? What is moonlighting?
Yes,
These
ma'am.
very topics are see very easy, but all it requires is your that is updation with the time, that what are the exact words if those come in GD, right? So that was the basic purpose of doing it out. Now, see, greenwashing में आप लोगों ने एक गलती जो करी है, जहां पे आपको कंटेंट में आया that mostly it is used for the words or the products which are environmentally not good. Okay, on the basis of environment, it is not good. When we talk about some sugar content and all that, जैसे आपने कॉम्प्लान या बॉर्नविटा की बात की, right? जहाँ पे आपको बोलते हैं कि बहुत ज्यादा, obviously, the sugar intake is too much high in that, right? But and sometimes they say it out in that cases कि ये products हैं they are sugar free, they are without any, you can say, good for your health. Good for your health means that इसमें sugar नहीं होनी चाहिए, or should be minimum. But they are not referring, they are trying to manipulate it out. सबने कोका कोला की बॉटल्स देखी है,
Yes,
एवरीवन,
ma'am.
राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
कोई भी कोल्ड ड्रिंक की
Yes, ma'am.
बॉटल, उसके ऊपर लिखा होता है रिसाइकेबल. अब ये नहीं पता ये वो बॉटल रिसाइकेबल है या फिर जो उसके ऊपर जो एक स्ट्रिप पेस्टेड है that is recyclable. We are not sure. That is a manipulation which a person does, right? अब हर जगह पे आ जाता है. This is environment safe or toxic free. मतलब उसमें वो क्या करते हैं, कुछ gaps fill up करते हैं. Now, this is very important for us to read it out. This is a manipulative strategy by marketing agencies to actually get their products in profit, and that is why they do it out. Now, you should be always focusing it out as when you're giving some kind of an example. आपको quote करना है, तो you will say it out. Okay, everyone, I would like to bring a new example to all of you. We all know about the strategies with these all protein shakes and everyone is being there. हम सबने, I think, with the passage of time, we might have tasted Bonvita. We might taste it today also. But what does it actually have? It has lots of sugar content. That is why I feel fresh. अगर बोलते हैं ना, sometimes other persons, the children are yawning in the class, and I tell them, drink water or eat something in terms of, you can say, कुछ टॉफी ले लो, शुगर ले लो, बिकॉज ग्लूकोज लेवल क्या हो जाता है, एकदम से बूस्ट अप हो जाता है. कोका कोला की बोतल पी लो, आपको नींद नहीं आएगी कुछ घंटे. Why? Because you start feeling fresh, because it has the most maximum sugar content is there. Right? So what I'm going to talk about here is that many a times greenwashing is being practiced. It is in front of our eyes. We try to avoid it out because some things just good look good in packaging. बच्चों को लेकर जाओ कहीं पे and you will feel it out that they have some kind of a products. That is why the people make products packaging very beautiful so that it gets the children get tempted with it. And they never read the ingredients. So we should make a habit before buying any product that we should read the ingredients while buying any product, right? Now, what is the, no one talked about what are the ill impacts of greenwashing. क्या होते हैं ill impacts? Public health
Environment,
suffer कर रही है. That is there. Our health is being suffered. लेकिन इसके सिवाय और क्या होता है?
environment and ma'am, environment is degrading. It means
भी
developed
होगा.
country, developed
Environment
Water
भी degrade होगा.
pollution.
But एक बार जो चीज को आपने बेच दिया ऐसे करके, next time लोग खरीदेंगे उसको. People won't buy it now, right? और उससे क्या होगा, धीरे धीरे वो कंपनी क्या हो जाएगी, खत्म हो जाएगी. Because you cannot trust someone again and again. You don't give a chance. आपको एक बार आपको स्किन पे प्रॉब्लम आ गई, कुछ आ गया, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट लेने के बाद, second time you won't buy that product. That yeah, it is creating a ill impact, right? So that is a false impression which is being put up on the person's mindset, and that is why you should never buy it out. Overcome कैसे कर सकते हैं इसको? How we can overcome it out, greenwashing को? बताओ.
apart from regulation, there must be monitoring of the
Awareness
activities done by the
required.
industries.
Monitoring, awareness point याद आया
Yes.
सबको?
Yes.
Awareness
Yes,
वाला
ma'am.
point जो है, that is very very important for you guys. Just a second. Guys, just wait for 2 minutes, okay? I'm coming back to your feedbacks. Just 2 minutes. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. You can switch on the videos. Right. So see, this was a topic, and topic was very interesting. What I liked the most was your participation. Many of the people, you actually participated today and you opened your vocals. That is the best way of actually interacting in a group discussion. गलतियां जहां पे थी वो मैं बताने जा रही हूँ, तो अपना अपना टर्न सुन लेना. The starting was done by, I think, Aditya, right?
Yes,
Aditya,
ma'am.
कभी भी myself नहीं होता. I told last time to other person also. It's never myself and all that. It's not a right way. It is always I am or my name is, right? So never use that introductory line. The only problem in you was that you were giving good content, but the introductory person has to channelize. Channelize का मतलब होता है कि वो बताता है टीम को कि भाई ये टॉपिक है हमारा, हमें पता है कि टॉपिक में बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट कंसर्न्स है. We should be talking multiple dimensions of this topic. Dimensions की बात करो, like how it can be resolved, what are the challenges which are being brought by greenwashing, and how it is going to impact the environment. So on this note, I'm going to open the house for discussion. Open end topic है ना? Open end topic क्या होता है? जब टॉपिक है completely कोई हमें मैंने डायमेंशन फिक्स नहीं की है, that is an open end topic. ठीक है? अगर मैं बोलती challenges which are being faced while overcoming greenwashing, तो एक सिंगल टॉपिक होता. ग्रीन वॉशिंग एक टॉपिक आ गया, उसके मतलब आप बात कर सकते हो मतलब क्या है, किस तरह से ग्रीन वॉशिंग होती है, कार्बन एमिशन से भी हो जाती है. कई कंपनीज बोलती है यहाँ पे कोई कार्बन, जब उनको वो हम करते हैं फॉर्मुलेट करते हैं, बनाते हैं, उस टाइम भी बहुत ज्यादा पॉल्यूशन ग्रीन होता है, केमिकल एमिशंस होती हैं जो एनवायरमेंट के लिए नहीं सेफ है, तो वो भी तो ग्रीन वॉशिंग में ही आ गया ना. और वहां पे लिखा होता है दैट इट इज कंसीडर्ड इट वाज मेड इन अ वेरी एनवायरमेंट फ्रेंडली, दैट ऑर्गेनिक है, ऑर्गेनिक होता नहीं है, तो वो भी चीजें आ जाती हैं, है ना. हम कई बार अब ब्लिंकिट, एनीवन यूजेस ब्लिंकिट,
Yes, ma'am.
क्या चीजें आती हैं आपको, दो तरह की चीजें दिखाई जाएंगी. वन इज ऑर्गेनिकली ग्रोन, वन इज ग्रोन इन द नॉर्मल सर्कमस्टांसेस. समटाइम्स वी टेंड टू फील इट आउट कि हम ऑर्गेनिकली ग्रोन मंगवा के देखते हैं, एंड देयर इज नो हार्डली डिफरेंस, वो दोनों सेम ही बेच देते हैं. तो दैट इज जस्ट ऑर्गेनिकली ग्रोन का क्या करते हैं, थोड़ा रेट बढ़ा देते हैं, एंड वी हैव नो रिकॉर्ड्स, वी डोंट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ अ फिक्सचर्स. हाउ विल यू टेस्ट इट आउट कि सच्चाई में असली बेच रहे हैं नहीं बेच रहे हैं? इट इज ऑल इन अ माइंडसेट दैट वी ट्राई टू गो एंड फोकस टुवर्ड दैट डायरेक्शन, राइट? So this is something, a human, we have that psychiatry that if it is something organic, that means it is good and it might be considered in a healthy environment. That is why we should go for it. But we don't know the exact truth about it, right? And we can never fetch it out. Then it is all about, I would say, Aritra, good point, like automobile sector and all that. But सिर्फ automobile sector ऐसे नहीं बोलो कि कैसे हो रहा है. How it is being done in
Ma'am,
automobile.
I thought that would elongate the points, so I stopped.
आदित्य का पॉइंट elongate हो रहा था, आपके पॉइंट्स ठीक है. एग्जांपल देखिए, शॉर्ट में एग्जांपल है, लाइक ऑटोमोबाइल्स, वी कैन सी दिस. ओके, सो आदित्य, एडिंग टू योर पॉइंट, आई वुड से दैट यस, वी कैन सी इट इन ऑटोमोबाइल सेक्शन आल्सो, एंड यू कैन जस्ट गिव एन एग्जांपल लाइक देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ कार्बन एमिशंस एंड यू कैन से फैक्ट्री आउटलेट्स. सो दिस थिंग, लीव अ स्पेस फॉर दैट. आपने बोला भी और आपने कंटेंट भी अच्छा बोला, ठीक है. देन इट इज योगेश इज देयर. योगेश इज देयर.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Yogesh, your content was good, right? Whatever you gave it out, ingredients हमें पढ़ने चाहिए, प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी एंड ऑल दैट. थोड़ा शॉर्ट करने की कोशिश करना, जैसे अपने पैकेजिंग पे बोला ग्रीन रेड, गुड वन. तो इट इज ऑल दैट यू कैन से इट आउट दैट द कंज्यूमर्स, दे आर वेरी मच फैसिनेटेड विद द पैकेजिंग.
Yes, ma'am.
हम भी कई बार जाते हैं, हम क्या करते हैं, पैकेजिंग देख के चीज खरीदते हैं, होता है, ये चीज सच्चाई है, राइट? तो वी शुड बी अवॉइडिंग इट आउट. देन आयुष का बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट था. Where is आयुष? Yeah, आयुष, your points were really good, your content was very good, like till now if I've considered out, आयुष का कंटेंट अभी मतलब इन चारों में अच्छा था, बेस्ट ऑफ इट. आदित्य का बहुत अच्छा था, पर आदित्य की डायरेक्शन लेस था. आदित्य, आपने क्या किया, व्हाट द मिस्टेक यू मेड, यू हैड गुड कंटेंट, आपने एक ही टाइम पे सारा बोल दिया. जब एक ही टाइम पे बोल दोगे तो बाद में क्या छोड़ोगे कंटेंट के लिए? नेवर डू दैट थिंग, दैट्स अ मिस्टेक वी विल कमिट, ठीक है. देन इट इज आदित्य का शुगर फ्री बॉर्नविटा वाला कंटेंट, दैट वाज फाइन था, बट वही चीज आ गई इसमें. इसमें एनवायरमेंट सेफ वाला नहीं बोल रहा है, बोल रहा है ये कंज्यूमर्स के लिए फिट नहीं है, और देयर हेल्थ इट इज नॉट फिट. कई बार बोलते हैं ना शुगर नहीं है, तो उसमें आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, जैसे फ्रक्टोज होता है, एक और होती है सीविया, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर व्हाट इज इट. आपने कई बार शार्क टैंक देखा होगा, तो उसमें भी दे ट्राई टू से इट आउट, दे से इट आउट, वी डोंट वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन इट बिकॉज यहाँ की लेबलिंग कुछ और है और एक्चुअल में कुछ और है, राइट? दिस इज समथिंग, स्टीविया और समथिंग इज देयर एंड दैट इज अ रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ शुगर. वो ज्यादा कैलोरीज की होती है, शुगर नहीं होती है, नो शुगर एडेड, शुगर नहीं ऐड किया, पर उसके रिप्लेसमेंट में फ्रक्टोज, देन फ्रक्टोज इज गुड, राइट? बट स्टीविया एंड ऑल दैट दे आर बैड. ओके, तो इस तरह से आई मे बी यूजिंग द रॉन्ग वर्ड, सो यू कैन रीचेक इट आउट. ओके, देन इट इज आउट. आयुष इज देयर, वही
Yes, ma'am.
दैट वाज अ गुड पॉइंट. शुभम, protein and all that, gym का point, labels provide. योगेश के points अच्छे थे, and then I think Aditya and Yogesh, your pointers were very better than others, right? आप दोनों के points काफी अच्छे थे. योगेश, Aritra, and I would say it out to शुभम, थोड़ा अटकते हो बोलते टाइम, you take a time to speak.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
वो थोड़ा ट्रबलसम है. जैसे योगेश की पार्टिसिपेशन अच्छी है, आयुष की
Yes,
पार्टिसिपेशन अच्छी थी, देन आई विल टॉक अबाउट आदित्य की पार्टिसिपेशन. दीस थ्री वर वेरी सेफ. अरविंद, अरित्रा एंड शिवम, आई वुड से इट ऑन द बॉर्डर लाइन, थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस और करो। कई बार पार्टिसिपेशन कम हो जाती है, कंटेंट क्वालिटी, यू आर जज्ड ऑन नंबर ऑफ बेसिस, कंटेंट क्वालिटी, पार्टिसिपेशन, फ्लुएंसी, द वे द वर्ड्स यू यूज इट आउट, वर्ड्स की यूसेज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। आप लोग को एक एक पर्सन चेक करेगा, लाइक सपोज मैं तो आप सबको चेक कर रही हूँ ना, व्हेन यू आर इन दैट स्टेज ऑफ दैट पार्टिसिपेशन और द फाइनल्स, योगेश के ऊपर एक हेड है, अरविंद का एक हेड है, आदित्य का एक हेड है, एवरी पर्सन इज बीइंग नोटिस्ड। वी वैल्यूएटेड एट दैट टाइम एज कि किसने कंटेंट सबसे क्वालिटी का यूज किया, क्योंकि एवरी पर्सन इज नॉट कंफर्टेबल इन इंग्लिश हिंदी, तो कंटेंट क्वालिटी क्या है, कैसी फ्लुएंसी है, नरेटिव स्किल्स कैसे हैं, तो उसमें शुभम यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव इट आउट। ठीक है, शुभम,
Yes, sir.
अरविंद, सॉरी आई वुड से अरविंद, अरित्रा एंड शिवम, थोड़ा इम्प्रूव करो, इट विल बी मच बेटर फॉर यू गाइस। ठीक है, शिवम और अरित्रा यू आर वेरी नियर टू इट, बट थोड़ा हिट हार्ड करो इसको। सेम फॉर
Okay.
अरविंद, पार्टिसिपेशन इंक्रीज करो।
यस मैम, हम टॉपिक नहीं सुन पाए थे, कट हो गया था, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम थी।
योर कंटेंट वाज नॉट देयर, आपकी पार्टिसिपेशन ही नहीं थी, तो आई कैन नॉट इवैल्यूएट यू ऑन दैट बेसिस, है ना,
हाँ।
थोड़ा उस पे करो।
हम टॉपिक भी नहीं सुन पाए थे, जो टॉपिक के बारे में बता रही थी मैम, मैं वो भी नहीं सुन पाया।
Try to join.
कट हो
See, when the GD means 4, it means at 4. Okay. I wait for
Yes.
3 to 4 minutes to others. Jesse, I have a number of 8. I don't admit more and I start with the GD, right? Because I don't
Yes.
want 30 minutes अपने use करो in the best possible manner. That should be your strategy. It should not be carrying it out for 1 hour and then it is like wasting it out. आपको topic clear हुआ, आपको meaning clear हुआ, examples कुछ clear हो गए, recycle bin का टाइम example याद रख लो, कार्बन emissions का example याद रख लो, बहुत ज्यादा में क्रुएलिटी फ्री का example याद कर लो। इन चीजों में आपका क्रुएलिटी फ्री में बहुत कॉस्मेटिक आती है, कॉस्मेटिक्स तो बहुत ज्यादा, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, रेयर ब्यूटी एंड ऑल दैट, दे आर ऑल द कॉस्मेटिक प्रोडक्ट्स जो यूज किए जाते हैं, दे आर नॉट क्रुएलिटी फ्री बट दे आर वेरी वेरी, इवन लॉरियल एंड ऑल दैट, आई थिंक लैक्मे लॉरियल, ये चेक करना कौन से, याद कर लेना एक आधा। ठीक है,
Lakme, ma'am, there is Lakme controversy which forced child labor in Bihar for mica.
हाँ मतलब वही आई एम टेलिंग यू आउट ना, जैसे अब आते हैं आप टूथब्रश की बात करते हैं हम, है ना, सो वी यूज टूथब्रश, आप ऑर्डर करो तो देर आर फ्रॉम बैम्बू, लाइक आई यूज इट आउट विद द बैम्बू टूथब्रशेस, है ना, वी फाइंड इट लाइक समथिंग वाओ, हम तो उसका प्लास्टिक भी नहीं यूज कर रहे हैं, हम तो सारा का सारा नेचर फ्रेंडली यूज कर रहे हैं, बट देन आई डोंट फाइंड इट गुड, लाइक आई यूज टू यूज इट एंड देन आई शिफ्टेड बैक टू ओरल बी एंड ऑल दैट, राइट? So that is in the mindset of a person कि हम try करते हैं, but once we are not in that race, we get to that. Same for toothpaste quality. या आपको मैं कुछ कहती हूँ, सोप्स आते हैं, खादी के सोप्स तो अच्छे माने जाते हैं, they are good, but there are certain soaps जो नहीं अच्छी क्वालिटी के माने जाते हैं, और they have lots of chemicals and toxic for your body only, right? So वो form बहुत बोलते हैं ना, जितनी form हमें satisfaction होती है, the more the form is produced, more the quality is good. But that is not true in that case. We are spoiling our body only. We are spoiling it out, right?
Right.
I gave you a number of examples in this case, and I hope this topic is clear. Any person with any doubt? Just
Ma'am,
put doubt.
ma'am, I have doubt. How is my fluency and my pronunciation while the group discussion?
I told you about introduction में no channelizing. आप content इतना ज़्यादा दे रहे थे, that was not required. You should have opened it out. I want to go for different dimensions. In between, quality अच्छी थी. I don't know अगर गूगल से सर्च तो नहीं किया था?
No, ma'am, पहले से
और
सुना
sure.
है। Yes, ma'am, पहले से सुना था इसके बारे में।
अगर नहीं किया तो it was very good. अगर सर्च नहीं किया, honestly.
No, ma'am, गूगल से नहीं
है ना?
किया, पहले सुना था और आपने जो बताया उसको फिर
हाँ, then it was very
convert
good
किया।
because whatever the words you use, I told you about already that आपका quality content अच्छा था, योगेश का अच्छा था, आयुष का अच्छा था, पार्टिसिपेशन वाइज आपका बेटर था बाकियों से, ठीक है, बट वही है, you need to understand कि कहाँ पे ब्रेक लगानी है, कहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड्स ऐड करने हैं, which are important for you. क्लियर? उस पे थोड़ा वोकली प्रैक्टिस करो. Nobody's more you attend the seat, it is all about practice. जितने GDs लगाओगे, brainstorm करोगे, अपने आप आता जाएगा. Okay?
मैम अगर मेरे कंक्लूजन पे अगर आप फीडबैक दे।
हाँ, conclusion was not good. Sorry, Aritra, I wrote it out your conclusion. Sorry, you concluded with public misleading and all that. हमेशा try करा करो. Okay, everyone. So we had a very interactive session. Interactive था, याद कर लो ये word. We had a very interactive session. Based on the, you can say, different perspective, yes, greenwashing is quite prominent these days. Like Shubham told about this, Aditya, आप कोशिश करोगे, the person is going to conclude. एक आधा किसी person का feedback जरूर बोले. ठीक है, जैसे किसी ने पॉइंट किया, सिंगापुर वाले पे पॉइंट किया था, आई थिंक आयुष ने पॉइंट किया था, वी शुड बी फॉलोइंग दैट लॉज. इट वाज अबाउट आयुष, राइट?
I am Aditya. I have pointed out.
Aditya gave it out, right? So योगेश ने लेबल्स की बात की, तो ऐसे आप पॉइंट्स करो कि लेबल्स मेंशन चाहिए. तो I think that different person gave their perspective. So yes, we will be ending it on a note that greenwashing is prominent, but yes, being the right citizens, या फिर जागो ग्राहक जाहक, ये बोल सकते हो आप slogans अपने उसमें, right? So we should be aware, we should be reading the labels, and yes, government should have some strict adherence for all the this marketing advertisements, so that we are not in the terms of distracted, we are not being brainwashed otherwise, and not greenwash, but we should be taking green initiatives in return. That's it. Positive ending में हो गई, सबका रिमार्क भी दे दिया, जनरल एंड भी कर दिया. क्लियर हुआ?
Okay.
ठीक है,
Yes,
चलो. All the
Yes.
best, guys. We'll meet tomorrow
Ma'am,
again. Yes.